Hi, and thank you very much for having me here on stage. And I'm super excited to talk about how ControlExpert is going to change the world of motor claims using AI. Quick introduction, my name is Nicolas, I'm the CEO, and ControlExpert offers tech-enabled services to insurance companies. We started by offering review services for invoices and estimates to make sure that repair shops stop overcharging insurance companies. Today we offer this in 17 countries with over 800 employees. And so our 800 employees mainly segment into three groups. First of all, we have car experts. The car experts actually know how to repair a car, but they also know how to cheat an insurance company. Then you have IT developers, and they actually make sure that the work of our car expert gets more efficient every single day. On top of that, we have over 30 data scientists that make use of all the data and rethink the processes completely. Last year, we've worked on over 9 million motor claims with our team, and we process over 200,000 photos of damaged cars every single day. However, to work on 9 million motor claims, this cannot be a pure manual game. This has to be a combination of technology and human interaction. So with all this AI, we actually don't want to incrementally change the claims process of an insurance company. We want to rethink this completely. Behind me, you see a current claims process of a German insurance company right now. And this is a simplified version of that. Don't worry, I'm not going to go through it. I think the main message is it's pretty complex. But if you add technology and AI to this process behind me, there's not much left. And it really comes down to a couple of things. Really important thing is to gain data early in the claims process and then make use of two major technologies, which is image recognition and the use of telematics data. And with all of this, basically you can rethink this claims process and simplify it. Starting with the automatic image recognition. At ControlExpert, we started to follow a vision where we wanted to automatically identify and pick up damages from a photo. We did this actually by a claims process where we can start using an app. So if someone notifies a claim, you actually get a text message and have to click on a link to follow this message. Claims notification today is still happening a lot by using telephone. Online is growing, but it's still the smaller channel. So behind me, you see my colleague Daniel, who's going to have an accident. So now Daniel actually has the problem of going through a very lengthy insurance claims process. If you add technology that ControlExpert is building, we can make Daniel's life much easier. So now actually Daniel has to, following the link that he received from his insurance company, he can upload photos, for example, from his vehicle registration document and also from his VIN number that's most likely in the front window. So now we know exactly what car he's driving with all the options. In the next step, we actually have Daniel taking pictures of his damaged car. So uploading the pictures of his damaged car, they will go through our algorithms where we pick up if the AI identifies a damage. In that case, we saw that there's a damaged fender, and the damaged fender leads to a severe damage where the fender needs to be replaced, and the repair cost is going to be €753.10. So going back to the insurance company, they can actually use this data and make an automatic payout to Daniel, where he receives this €753 the same day after a few minutes. This is already up and running and working for a few major insurance companies, and so no touch on their side and really convenient for the driver. However, how can we make this process even better and a little bit quicker? Then we have to make use of telematics data. Today, cars have a lot of sensors and collect a lot of data. And actually our vision there is, if a car has an accident, that the car detects this accident automatically, and then using our technology to actually make a prediction on where this accident happened and what repair costs to expect, to give the vehicle driver a guidance to the next repair shop that's going to fix this. To get there, we started building mathematical models with the use of car sensors to identify the forces that act on a car in case of an accident. So building this model, we were able to make predictions on how large and how severe this accident was that happened to the car. So we took it to the next step and basically staged a lot of accidents by ourselves. So we produced many different accident scenarios with different cars, different sources of data, different telematics devices to gain more and more efficiency and accuracy. The accuracy was actually so good that we took it on the next step to cooperate with large car manufacturers that helped us professionalize these crash tests and gain more insights and more data. So if you look back to Daniel and Daniel's accident, and if you use the telematics data, you see in the top the forces that act on the car in that accident. Our algorithm analyzes the pattern of the forces and actually make a prediction on what happens. It goes back to our model where we see the fender has a big damage, the repair cost is going to be €753.10. Why are we doing all these things? At ControlExpert, we want to live in a world where drivers can have their accidents settled on the same day in a fair way. And there's a long way to go. I don't know who had an accident here, but there's taking much longer today than the same day. So there's a few steps to go. We're happy for everyone joining us and taking this journey to make these things possible real time. Thank you very much for having me on stage, and I'm super happy to talk to everyone. Thanks.